Hello, welcome to Easy Crack. Look at this problem. There are three coins. Two coins are unbiased, and out of three coins, one coin is biased coin with two heads. A coin is drawn random and tossed two times. If head appears on both times, find the probability that selected coin is a biased coin. So there is the one biased coin out of three coin. So the probability of biased coin is 1 by 3 and probability of unbiased coin is 2 by 3. So here the event is two head occurs, and probability of two head given the coin is biased, probability of E given B is 1, cause it always returns two head if it is biased coin. So the probability is 1. And then probability of two head given the coin is unbiased. So the unbiased coins, there is 4 cases: head head, head tail, tail head and tail tail. So the probability is 1 by 4. So then we have to find the probability of biased coin that the event has been occurred. Event is two head. So the probability of biased coin and event has been occurred. From Bayes theorem, probability of into probability of B so from Bayes theorem we can write this substitute value of the PE given B and PB, and then by 3. So the answer is 4 by 6, 2 by 3. So this is the answer. Look at the next problem. Here player player is speaking truth 4 by 7 times when the card is drawn from 52 cards. 52 cards, a card is drawn, and probability of speaking truth 4 by 7 times, and he reports there is a diamond. Find the probability of actually the card is a diamond. So probability of telling truth is 4 by 7 and probability of telling lie is 3 by 7. Here event is reporting the player is the card is diamond. So probability of E given T is 13 by 13 by 52. This is 1 by 4. So there is 13 card diamond out of 52 cards, and probability of event telling lie is 39 by 52. The 52 minus 13 is 39, is 3 by 4. So probability of truth is given, the event is given P of E given T into PT by, it is by Bayes theorem, P E given T PT plus P lie into PL. 1 by 4 into 4 by 7 divided by 1 by 4 into 4 by 7 plus 3 by 4, 3 by 7. The answer is 4 by 13. So look at this here is next problem. A letter is known Tatanagar or Calcutta on the envelope. Just two consecutive letters T and A are visible from the letter. The consecutive two letters T and A are visible. Find the probability that letter has come from Calcutta. So probability of Tatanagar is half and probability of Calcutta is half. So here is the event is T and A comes consecutive. So the set of consecutive letters are TA from Tatanagar. Consecutive letters are TA, AT, TA, AN, NA, AG, GA and AR. So there is total of 8 sets. Total 8. Total 8 sets. So probability of E expectation given T is 2 by 8. There is a 2 times occur this and this T and A consecutive 2 times. So probability of E given T is 2 by 8. Similarly, probability of E given Calcutta is 1 by 7. So you can find this the consecutive 1 time has been occurred. So 1 by 7. You will calculate this. So from Bayes theorem you can calculate E by C, probability of C, probability of E given C, probability of C plus probability of E given T, probability of T. So you can calculate 4 by 7 is answer. So that's all for today. In the next lecture we will discuss about random variable and we will solve some problem.